Very good morning, children. This video is a continuation of chapter 3, greenhouse effect. In the last class, I've taught you about causes of global warming and ozone depleting substances. Today we are going to discuss the topic greenhouse gases in page number 26. So let's look at the book. Technological development and other human activities. Now, whenever we are talking about development means we are basically changing this the landforms. We are cutting down trees in order to build houses, roads, etc. These all development comes under activity like human activity. Because humans are basically creating development. So technological development means in order to build industries you have to cut down trees, you have to save the land or level the land, and that is degrading our environment. So technological development and other human activities are contributing towards growing emission of greenhouse gases. So when you build industries, when you build factories, as well as humans, when the population of the humans grow, then pollution also grows, because humans basically throw garbages. They throw garbages in air, in land, on land they throw garbages, and these garbages pollute the air, as well as sometimes they throw in the water bodies, and they also pollute the water bodies. These garbages basically emit harmful gases when burned. So when they are burned, they emit harmful gases like methane, etc., which comes under greenhouse gases. So human activity as well as technological development is the factor which is causing emission or pollution in our atmosphere. CFC that are used in aerosol refrigerants. So now CFC is another gas that we find in greenhouse gases. That CFC is another gas. Now CFCs are basically used in aerosols and refrigerants, which are told you last time also, aerosols and fridge. Now in fridge it is used as a liquid coolant. When the fridge is in use, it does not emit this gas. But when not in use, then it emits CFC. When the fridge is damaged, or when the fridge is not working, or when the fridge is not switched on, it emits this gas. But today's fridges are more energy efficient and they emit less CFC. Not only fridge, but also air conditioners are agents of producing CFC, that is chlorofluorocarbons. CHLORO, fluoro, FLUORO, fluorocarbons, CARBONs. Carbons are known as CFCs. That valency is FCCl3. It's made of that. Now, when these machines are discarded and destroyed, the CFC gas that contains escapes and enters the atmosphere. Which I have explained to you last time in the diagram, which I showed you on the board, that this CFC is the agent which eats away the oxygen atom of the ozone gas. After this, we have nitrogen oxide or nitrous oxide, which is also emitted by jet planes and aeroplanes, in the stratosphere. When they burn, the fuel, they emit nitrous oxide. This nitrous oxide or nitric oxide is also used as chemicals by farms. This is also greenhouse gas. Now methane gas. Methane gas is produced by livestock as well as rice field, which basically produce this gas. Now livestock means animal. Animals are kept, and when the animals poop, they produce methane gas, which is harmful for the atmosphere. Now ozone gas is also basically affecting our atmosphere. Now ozone, how the ozone is affecting our atmosphere? Now ozone is composed of Another thing is ozone basically traps the heat of the sun, which is raising the temperature of the earth. Therefore, we can say the disadvantage of the ozone gas is it traps the heat of the sun, that is causing the warmth or the rising of the level of temperature in our atmosphere. Okay. Now, after this, we are moving on to deforestation. This topic I was telling you last time, but a little bit again. Okay. Now we are moving to the next topic, that is called deforestation. 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 So whenever we are talking about deforestation, okay. Trees basically plays an important role in the carbon cycle. So carbon dioxide level is balanced by the trees, but it plays an important role in the carbon cycle because humans basically gives up carbon dioxide, and carbon dioxide is inhaled by the trees, and trees basically gives us oxygen in return. But if you cut down trees, what will happen? The carbon dioxide is given by the humans, basically it gets absorbed in the atmosphere, not by the trees. So more production of carbon dioxide and less trees means carbon sink. Carbon sink means an area where you have more carbon dioxide than oxygen. Okay, so trees plays an important role in the carbon cycle. They maintain the balance in the environment by converting carbon dioxide in the air to oxygen through the process of photosynthesis. Thus, they act as a natural regulator of the carbon dioxide. So, they regulate they balance the percentage of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. Okay? So, they balance the level of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. So, let's make trees here. Okay? Now, if you cut down trees, what will happen? The trees will not absorb carbon dioxide from the humans. So, what happens? Carbon dioxide is not absorbed by the trees. This carbon dioxide will climb up to the atmosphere, and they stays in the atmosphere for some years. And when the heat of the sun basically heats both land and water in the daytime, but during the night time, this heat has to evaporate in the atmosphere as terrestrial radiation. So during the night time, the heat basically gets absorbed by the carbon dioxide. This actually raises the temperature of the earth. So when you cut down trees, the carbon cycle of the trees will be broken down. It cannot regulate the temperature of the earth. It is a natural regulator of the carbon dioxide level in our atmosphere as well as in our earth. The more trees, the less carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. Less trees, more carbon dioxide. More carbon dioxide means more raising the temperature of the earth. So more trees means the less carbon dioxide and more oxygen. Deforestation is causing the number of trees to fall, and the resulting carbon dioxide level in the atmosphere are rising, thereby causing global warming. So if you cut down trees, then there will be no such thing that will absorb the carbon dioxide and regulate the temperature of the earth. So what happens here is there will be a carbon sink area where carbon dioxide level will be more and less oxygen, and the temperature will be more. Remember that. And this when the temperature will be more, there will be global warming. Now we are moving on to next topic, that is called burning of fossil fuels. Now whenever we are talking about fossil fuels, F-O-S-S-I-L, fossil fuels, they are basically found in the sedimentary rocks. And this fuel means what? An energy which can be used for burning, giving us heat, light, etc. So which energy we are talking about? We are talking about petrol, liquid coal, petroleum, this is called as liquid coal, then kerosene, coal, diesel, diesel, charcoal, are called non-renewable resource because once used, it is gone forever. It is, okay, gone forever. It gets exhausted. I'm writing a simple meaning here. Once used, it is gone forever. Once you put the petrol in your, okay, motorcycle, etc., once you use it, what happens? That petrol is gone forever. But when this petroleum, kerosene, diesel, and charcoal burns, they produce harmful gases like carbon dioxide, okay, in the atmosphere, as well as nitrogen or nitrous oxide, okay. So this burning of fossil fuels, okay, basically are the agents or the elements which also pollutes our atmosphere. So fossil fuels such as oil. Oil means petroleum. Remember that. Oil means gasoline. Okay. Coal and natural gases. Now natural gas means what? Wherever you dig petroleum or wherever you find petroleum, you find natural gas. Okay. Natural gas are basically used for cooking at homes, in a gas stove, etc. This natural gas are high in carbon content. Now carbon content means carbon is found in the coal also, in the charcoal also. Carbon content means we are talking about, okay, what type of, okay, carbon is found or what percentage of carbon is found in a particular, okay, mineral. This carbon content decides the pollution of the atmosphere, okay? And when burn, produce major amounts of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. So if there is more carbon dioxide, then more, okay, more carbon content in a particular fuel. Okay, if the carbon content is more, then it produces more carbon dioxide. So there are 4 types of coal: bituminous coal, okay, lignite coal, peat, okay. Are you getting my point? So there are different types of coal, okay, that is found in the wood. There are 4 types of coal, and each coal has different carbon content. And if you burn that coal, it produces carbon dioxide. What is the percentage of carbon content? That decides the carbon dioxide level in the coal. Okay. This was for today. Thank you for listening.